Hi there, students. All's well that ends well. Okay, I think this is quite a common proverb. It just means that as long as things turn out all right, then we can forget about all the problems we had getting there, arriving to that point. Um, I very nearly didn't arrive on time to catch the plane. My car broke down and I had all sorts of problems. But finally I managed to catch it. So all's well that ends well. And that's the idea of this phrase. You can forget about all the problems you've had leading up to something as long as everything works out. Yeah, so I don't know, a positive ending or a positive outcome should be more important, should overshadow any problems that you've had in the past. Okay, because it's a good it's good that it actually worked out. So I don't know. He seemed to be pretty miserable when the holiday started, but he cheered up very soon, and well, all's well that ends well. So one of the reasons I included this proverb is because of the origin. I wonder how many of you actually know the origin of this. Well, it's the title of a Shakespeare play. There's a play by Shakespeare called All's Well That Ends Well. It's probably one of his least popular plays. It wasn't popular in his time, and it's not popular today. Let's see, it's a comedy, yeah? But, well, it's not well known, but the origin, all's well that ends well. That's the idea. So, next time you have problems doing something, but it turns out right, then all's well that ends well. Yeah, I was stopped by a policeman, and I thought he was going to arrest me, but he didn't. So all's well that ends well. Yeah, it was okay. It turned out okay in the end. Formality for this. I think I'm going to give it a 5, and I think you could probably use it anywhere. In something very formal, I guess you could do it. It's a Shakespeare quote. Yeah? So, yeah, I'm going to include this in quotes from Shakespeare. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. All's well that ends well.